Hi there, it's Robin here from quiltingintheloft.com. I'm on the main level of my home. This past Friday, I had a delivery at my house, a special delivery, and no, it wasn't a baby. And as you can see, I'm dressed in my home sweat attire that I live in every day when I'm working on my long arm. And as I said, on Friday, I had a special delivery, and that's my 790 Pro. I have not even been able to touch it since last Friday. It is now Wednesday. I was teaching classes on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, and I'm finally getting a chance to unbox it. And so what you're watching today is my unboxing video, and I hope you enjoy it. Well, as luck would have it, my unboxing video didn't work. But I wanted to show you that my Bernina did come in this great big huge box. My Bernina 790 Pro, and I just took it out, but I realized that the video didn't show. Anyways, the box has instructions on how to reinsert your machine into the packaging again. If you're moving or something, you could keep your box and all the foam components and all of the wrapping materials, and then you would have a really great box to either ship it or to move with it. So I just wanted to make sure that if you are out there and you're buying a new Bernina machine, that you keep your box if you're going to move. But I just took it out, and I'm going to show you what came in this big box. And it's my Bernina 790 Pro that I'm super thrilled to have and super excited about. I am not showing it in my studio because I wanted to unbox it right here in my living room where I have a little bit more space, a little bit more floor space. And that way it's a little bit easier to carry all the components upstairs to my studio. I have a narrow set of stairs right there to my loft. And so I wanted you to see what came out of the box, but this is the box. And I'm going to put the box to the side, and then I'm going to show you what came in the box. You can see behind, I have the Bernina 790 Pro, which I am super excited to show you, along with the embroidery module. I'm going to be carrying that upstairs to my studio shortly. And in the box was also what we call the Barbie case, or the accessory case. And so that's one of these little ladies here. That came in the box as well. So I'll be putting all my feet in it and keeping that machine organized. And it came with a great machine manual, which is really important. I always say in my classes to people, they need to make sure that they bring their machine manual with them. That way, it lets you get to know your machine. And two, it's a tool when you're having any issues to just refer to it instead of going back to your dealer to say there's something wrong with my machine. Sometimes it's just you just need to look up how to reset the settings. And then there's also a book on all of the Bernina accessories, so that's really handy to have as well. And look up the things that I don't have and maybe consider purchasing them. I'm hoping to show you lots of the features of the machine in the next little while, so that's really exciting to have that as well. And then it comes with all kinds of little caps for thread spools and a Bernina seam ripper and a little thickness wedge. And there's that's a screwdriver in there, a little brush, some Allen keys, and some nice Bernina needles as well. So that's exciting to have that for that machine, dedicated to that machine. And that will go in my accessory box. I also, well, this was not, that's my embroidery software. It also comes with the BSR, Bernina Stitch Regulator, which is really handy to have when you're doing free motion work. And I teach free motion quilting, and this is amazing. It keeps all your stitches really consistent because it regulates the stitches. So that comes with that machine, the 790 Pro. And it has obviously the foot pedal, an electrical cord as well, and I'm getting my exercise today, which is great. Comes with the oil and all the feet. And I'm not gonna go over the feet today. I will go over the feet that come with the 790 Pro another day. It also comes with I think a straight stitch and a decorative stitch plate. And some bobbins, so that's exciting. As I said, I will go over more of the accessories in detail at another date. And comes with the freehand system, which is here, and also comes with some Mettler thread to give you a chance to try this beautiful thread. It comes with the buttonhole foot. I was gonna say zipper, but it's the buttonhole foot as well. And that was in the box. And it comes with the stitching plate is what I would call it. There may be another technical term for it, but it's a nice big one. And then this also adheres to that as well for measurement and guides. And that's a nice big one. So really gonna be great when I'm doing bigger projects. And then it comes with a cover, which looks like this, with of course that Bernina logo and made to create in red letters, which is really nice. So I can keep it dust free and keep it protected, and that's wonderful to have. And that was what was in the big box. I forgot to mention that along with the other two large boxes, I received a small box with the Bernina Embroidery Software 9, Design Your Dreams, the full version. It's going to allow me wirelessly to endlessly edit existing designs as well as to create new designs. And it comes in the box with the software installation USB stick, a key card to install the software, and then a quick installation guide as well. So I'm looking forward to showing you what the potential of this wonderful software is. Having lots of fun, and I'm super excited about this Bernina 790 Pro with embroidery software and the embroidery module, which I'm going to open now. I can't wait to get started on projects now that I've had a hot minute to open all of these boxes. They were sitting in my living room, as I said, for 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4.5 days, which is really hard for somebody who loves to sew and embroider rather. And so I'm super excited to open this as well and give you a chance to look at the embroidery module that comes with the 790 Pro. So I'm going to open the box. I've taken the straps off already, so just to make it a little bit easier. I'm going to let that gently fall. Lots of great packaging. Wow, lots of goodies in here. Okay, what do we have here? We have an embroidery foot and some needles. It comes with some gorgeous Mettler thread in yellow, embroidery thread in yellow, red, blue, and green, which is lovely. And there's small, really tiny micro hoop, which is great. I know in the past to do like baseball caps, slippers, and smaller items. And I'm gonna be doing a blog post on the Bernina International blog in November on slippers, and maybe I'll be using this baby. And then a small hoop as well. And it used to be the large hoop, but it's not. I think it's the medium hoop now for Bernina. So this is the hoop that it comes with. And then I think this is the instruction information. Oh no, it's embroidery stabilizer from OESD that comes with it. And then the actual setting plates for the different hoops so that you can center. And I'm just gonna take this styrofoam out. Boy, is it protected. Holy smokes. So protected that it's hard for me to get this out. Wow, look at that. They do not want these machines to get damaged in shipping, so that's wonderful. And this is the lovely embroidery module for the 790 Pro. And there it is. You'll be seeing my articles at www.blog.bernina.com/en. And I will link that down below so that you know where to go to look at my articles, and you can just search my name, Robin Bogart, my last name, R-O-B-I-N, first name, and then last name spelled B-O-G-A-E-R-T. You will be able to see my articles, and I'll have lots of articles about sewing with the 790 Pro, about the accessories, different techniques, all kinds of projects, and I've got lots of exciting things planned. So I hope you get a chance to look at my articles, and be sure to comment and ask questions, and hopefully they'll be informative and interesting, and I'm hoping that I will inspire you.